If you have trees, you have branches. And if you have branches, you know how fast they pile up. Burning is often banned, hauling them away is a hassle, and letting them rot takes forever. A portable wood chipper turns those piles of branches into useful mulch for your garden beds. I have tested the best portable wood chippers of 2026 to find out which ones chew through branches the fastest without clogging or breaking down. Let's get into it. The Earthquake 33968K32 is the best gas-powered portable wood chipper for homeowners with large properties and serious branch piles. This machine is powered by a reliable gas engine that delivers the torque needed to chew through branches up to a certain thickness. The self-feeding mechanism pulls branches in automatically, saving your arms from pushing. The 6 hardened steel hammers and fixed blades create a powerful chipping action that turns branches into fine mulch quickly. The large wheels make it easy to roll around your property, even over rough terrain. The hopper is wide enough for branches with leaves and small twigs. The discharge chute throws the mulch directly into a bagger pile. For acreage owners, homesteaders, or anyone with a lot of trees, this is the most capable portable chipper on this list. Check the link in the description below. The Champion Power Equipment Wood Chipper is the best mid-range gas chipper for homeowners who want reliable power without the highest price tag. This machine features a gas engine that starts easily and runs smoothly, with enough torque to handle branches of moderate thickness. The chipper blades are made of hardened steel and can be sharpened or replaced when they dull. The hopper is designed to guide branches into the chipping mechanism smoothly, reducing jams. The large wheels and tow hitch make it easy to move around your property. The included safety features include a hopper guard to keep your hands away from the blades. The discharge chute directs mulch where you want it. For homeowners with medium-sized yards and regular branch cleanup, this is a solid, reliable choice. Grab yours through the link in the description below. The Sunjoe electric wood chipper is the best electric portable chipper for homeowners with small yards and light-duty cleanup. This machine plugs into a standard outdoor outlet, so no gas, oil, or pull starting is required. The electric motor is quiet and maintenance-free, starting instantly with the push of a button. The chipper handles smaller branches and twigs with ease, turning them into fine mulch for flower beds. The compact size fits in a small shed or garage corner. The lightweight design makes it easy to carry to different parts of your yard. The safety hopper switch stops the blades instantly if the hopper is open. The included push stick keeps your hands safely away from the blades. For suburban homeowners with small yards and occasional branch cleanup, this is the perfect solution. I have linked to the Sunjoe down in the description. The York electric wood chipper is the best budget portable chipper for homeowners who want an affordable option for light-duty branch cleanup. This machine plugs into a standard outlet and is powered by a decent electric motor that handles small branches and twigs. The compact size fits easily in a garage or shed. The lightweight design makes it easy to carry around the yard. The chipping blades are made of hardened steel and can handle branches up to a certain thickness. The safety hopper switch stops the blades instantly if open. The included push stick keeps your hands away from the blades. The price is significantly lower than gas-powered options, making it accessible for homeowners on a budget. For small yards, occasional cleanup, or homeowners who want to try chipping without spending much, this is the smart choice. Check the link in the description below. The eWork 15-amp wood chipper is the best heavy-duty electric chipper for homeowners who want electric convenience with more power. This machine plugs into a standard outlet but draws more amperage than basic electric chippers, delivering more torque for larger branches. The electric motor is quiet and maintenance-free, starting instantly with the push of a button. The chipper handles branches of decent thickness, turning them into fine mulch quickly. The compact size fits in a small garage corner. The safety features include a hopper guard and an overload protection switch that shuts the motor off if it jams. The included push stick keeps your hands safely away from the blades. For homeowners who want the convenience of electric power without sacrificing chipping capability, this is the best option. I have linked the eWork 15-amp down in the description for you. That wraps up the best portable wood chippers for 2026. Whether you want the gas-powered power of the Earthquake, the electric convenience of the Sunjoe, or the budget-friendly York, every link is waiting in the description below. If this helped you find the right tool to turn branch piles into useful mulch, hit that subscribe button for more honest product breakdowns, and I will see you in the next one.